Are you in film? Here, delete that so it doesn't. Or you can. Hey, lovies!
I wanna make you mine, can I get your number? You be my African girl with a bumper. I get the jam, get like way, make I wonder. I'm really feeling you like spell, I be under. Oh yeah, do no job, baby. Oh yeah, swim me job, baby. Oh yeah, spend a little time with it. You're whining it. I love every little thing you do. I like the way you dance, girl, I love the way you move. And you run it to the bass and then you shake it to the groove. Let's talk about ginger, then talk about you. I take you to my home, we do what you want to, yeah. So now
It's Esther here and welcome back to my channel. Hey lovies, it's Esther here and welcome to my channel. So, y'all been asking me where have I been. Hold on, wait. That's irritating. So y'all have been asking me where have I been. Y'all, I've been all over the place this past year because I haven't filmed a YouTube video like in a year, or if I filmed a video I just wasn't feeling it or something, like just something, always something would be happening and it was just annoying. So now your girl started to film again. We're on quarantine, baby. We're on quarantine. So yeah, I'm about to be talking about a whole bunch of stuff whilst I'm getting ready. So yeah, I'm gonna go brush my teeth, wash my face, do all that, and I have my outfit over there. I'm just gonna like get cute for a video to go nowhere. But yeah, y'all, I'll be right back. Y'all, I done brushed my teeth, washed my face. Now I'm about to use some shea butter on it, and yeah. So y'all, so a bunch of stuff happened. I done went to high school. I done played field hockey, had concerts, had fashion shows, had photo shoots. I had a bunch of stuff. I filmed some of them, but it just didn't come out right, like, you know. Well, that's why I what the hell? I be deleting my videos and it don't be coming out right. Like, you know, I'm a perfectionist, so if it don't come out right, I just won't post. So they weren't coming out right, and yeah. But yeah, let me tell y'all, I've been wanting to make this video for a long time about, this is irritating me. Wait, put it over there, but it's irritating me, so put it over there. Yeah, just leave it right there, leave it. So I've been wanting to make this video for a long time about me getting in a fight.
Make sure you look here.
Yes, y'all.
Don't. Yes, this the where the camera is coming from.
I got in a fight, and bitch. My hair glue for my lashes, and I don't feel like doing my eyebrows. I use this to put on my lashes. So I'm looking over here because I'm looking in my mirror, but yeah. So yeah, I done got in a fight. I ended up with no friends. I had no friends because I was whooping bitches. Like, I was really whooping out here, man. I really wish I could have recorded that video, but I'm gonna record a separate video on that. But like, yeah, y'all, like, I done whooped bitches' ass. I done whooped bitches' ass. I ended up with no friends. My friends I thought were my friends were not my friends. Like, y'all, it was a whole situation, man. 8th grade, like, it was crazy and annoying. But right now, I'm in a good place. I'm so happy you don't gotta go to school. Like, I don't care. Quarantine boring, but I'd rather not be at school, you know? Like, I'd rather be, like, out and about doing harass shit with my cousins. This is what I mean by harass shit with my cousins.
Dig bomb diggity, bitch on 2 players, that's the whole remedy. I might just trick on the birthday bitch. I guess the jaws hurt the way she gobbled this dick. Beat it up, kick her out and call her a lick. Bitch, I'm with the gang, on some gang shit.
For a long time, then love myself again, and it took like some months. It took a long time for that. Cause when I didn't have no friends, I felt low-key depressed. Like I thought I needed people to be happy, but then I realized I could be at school, put my headphones in my ears, and be happy. Like headphones in my ears and be happy. Like I don't need people, and I'm so happy God showed me that early. Cause now in high school, it's all about you and your little friend group. Like your friend group is like the side, but most of the time you're gonna be by yourself. Like, and if you're not always, if you feel like you don't want to be by yourself, that's when you get in a lot of drama, because these people out here are fake. These people out here are fake. Like, I just cannot. Living in a DMV is crazy. But yeah, I went to concerts. You remember that's my last video. I went to concerts. I had a good summer. Good year. This year has just been crazy. Been all over the place with Corona and then Kobe, then this and that. Like, it's just so much going on everywhere, left and right. The seniors not going to prom, graduation. Like, it is so sad. So sad. I would be pissed if I was a senior. It's so sad. And my birthday's coming up. My outfit whole situation is just going downhill. It was going uphill, but now it's going downhill because, like, it's just a whole bunch of stuff going on. But, you know, we're living, we're breathing. So that's all that really matters. That's really all that matters. And my Sweet 16 is coming up next year. I can't wait. This year was supposed to be a really good, chill, calm year, but all this shit done happened. All this shit. Everything done happened. Everything is just going crazy left and right. Miss Minnie from Atlanta died in a car accident from a hit and run. Like, it's just so
it wasn't
crazy.
a hit and run anymore. She hit a curb and then.
Copyright. Wait, okay. I guess recorded. So yeah, y'all. Let's have like a little. So I've been just like doing me, y'all. And that's the best thing to do. Do yourself. Don't do nobody else but you. Like, I was so oh, I had a bunch of fake friends. I done became friends with this one girl. Let me stop before I get in drama again. But I done became friends with this one girl. Yo.
Okay, yeah.
I done became friends with this one girl. Oh, I done became friends with this one girl. And she was just a fake ass bitch. Like, oh my gosh. Last year was crazy, but now I'm so happy. Like, I've been modeling, I've been dancing, I've been playing field hockey. Like, I honestly feel really happy with myself. Online school's not that bad. Like, hello. Online school's not that bad. Everything's been pretty cool, you know. It's just hard waking up in the morning.
I swear I saw something over there too. I know, it looked like it got in your eye. So you put it on. I'm gonna go do my work. I'm tired of this.
So yeah. So yeah. And dating life, I've been just doing me, you know. That's good. Yeah, I've just been doing me. I just been doing me in dating life. I haven't been really dating nobody. I just been talking on and off with a few people. Options. I mean, like, why would it not? I mean, like, why would it not? But yeah.
You know you're still recording, right?
Yeah, I know I'm still recording.
That's gonna be.
Let me do a thumbnail. It's only for 3 minutes.
They got to like 10.
Psych, I didn't do my hair. Yeah, I've been doing crazy. I've been living my life for real. I've been living my life. I really missed y'all. I missed talking to y'all. I missed all of that. And my videos last year were not even good. They weren't good at all. But now, my videos are going to be good because I don't got a camera. Got a camera. I'm starting to like know how to take pictures better. You know? Doing all that stuff. But yeah. Life's been real good. Life. Of course, so annoying.
That is satisfying.
This has really been my.
A little too much sauce.
I don't care. I don't care. Don't play with me. Okay, so yeah. Let's do our hair.
Don't do that time.
I swear to God, I hate my sister.
Who cares?
Let me tell you this straight. Girl, fuck if you feel like you want to.
Hey, copyright. Subscribe to my channel.
No, don't subscribe to her. Yeah.
Edits.
Oh yeah, I don't want to edit.
I'm an actor.
So I've been getting up at 2 o'clock. My boo fell out. But
My hanger, I swear they be taking my hangers. Like, this is my.
and I've been feeling really pretty. Like
Like, they be taking my hangers and it gets me mad. I hate when people take my hangers.
I hate this thing.
Oh.
Ew! I know y'all remember this from 5th grade. But yeah, this is a bullshit ass video. I'm gonna film another video, I think so. But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. I hope y'all enjoyed me talking about bullshit. I'm playing some music and just like been chilling. Like, I say like too much. I need help, y'all. I say like way too much and I need to stop. I need to stop saying like too much. Okay. So
I pussy, y'all calm down yourself. Me have something for you, wind up yourself. Your body let me heart just a melt. All day panic gram me a mention. Tell you say your pussy big. Believe me. Push it up and make you feel it. Bend over, receive me. Me alone make she come so speedy. Freaky girl, I'm my type. You be sitting there with highlight. We love you for the rest of my life. Believe me, baby. Back it up like a tree. Your pussy nah shot like no bingy. Love when you sit down pa me deep like stiffy. Baby, your pussy tight, pussy pretty. After rock bang, y'all you when you are wine.
oh shit.
Your pussy tight, bang, y'all you
Okay, but y'all, I love you guys so much. I can't wait for the rest of the content of this video. This was just like a little like chit chat with me, like get to know me again, because I done changed a lot. My looks changed a lot. Right now I'm in the process of like toning up my body and like getting right for summertime and my birthday. So make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. I love you guys so much. I love my lovies so much. Like, y'all don't even understand. Even though we're really small, I don't care. Like, who cares about the views, subscribers? Like, I care about talking to y'all and, like, getting to know y'all and y'all interacting with me and coming to my life. Like, I just really love y'all. Like, I really love people that support me, you know? But make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed my little video. Chit chat, get ready with me. And yeah, I love y'all. See y'all next time. Bye.
You dance, girl, I love the way you move. And you want it to the bass and then you shake it to the groove. Let's talk about ginger, then talk about you. I take you to my home, we do what you want to, yeah. So now